Welcome to Mr. English Official!
Practice real English with Adam and Lena.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Adam.
And I'm Lena. We're really happy you're here today.
If you enjoy calm and easy English conversations, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Today we're talking about going to the doctor with simple English.
Yes, a real-life English conversation at the doctor.
Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt nervous before seeing a doctor?
Oh, yes, I feel nervous sometimes.
Me too. It's very normal.
Today feels like one of those days.
Why is that?
I don't feel very well.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It's morning now.
Yes, and the weather is cool today.
I woke up feeling tired.
I see.
My head hurts a little.
Oh, really?
Yes, and my throat feels dry.
That sounds uncomfortable.
It is.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I didn't.
Maybe that's part of the problem.
Maybe.
So, what do you want to do today?
I think I should go to the doctor.
That's a good idea.
I'm not sure what to say in English.
Don't worry, we can practice together.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
Of course.
Who do I talk to first at the clinic?
You talk to the receptionist first.
The receptionist.
Yes, the receptionist helps you check in.
What should I say?
You can say, "Good morning, I have an appointment."
Appointment means a planned meeting.
Exactly.
And if I don't have an appointment?
You can say, "I don't have an appointment, but I feel sick."
That sounds simple.
It is simple.
I feel a little better already.
That's good to hear.
What questions does the doctor ask?
The doctor may ask, "How do you feel?"
How do you feel?
Yes, or "What is the problem?"
I can say, I have a headache.
Perfect.
Or, I feel tired.
Very good.
What if the doctor asks, when did it start?
You can say, "It started yesterday,"
Yesterday.
or "It started this morning."
I see.
The doctor may also ask, "Do you have pain?"
Pain means something hurts.
Yes, exactly.
I can say, yes, I have pain in my head.
That's correct.
Sometimes I feel shy talking to doctors.
That's normal.
I worry about making mistakes.
That's okay. Doctors understand.
Really?
Yes, they hear many accents and simple English.
That makes me feel relaxed.
Relaxed means calm.
Calm. I like that word.
Me too.
What if the doctor gives advice?
The doctor may say, "You should rest."
Rest means sleep and relax.
Yes, or "You should drink water."
That's easy to understand. I like simple advice.
Simple is good for beginners.
What if the doctor gives medicine?
The doctor may say, "Take this medicine twice a day."
Twice a day means 2 times a day.
Correct.
This conversation feels very real.
That's the goal.
Real-life English helps me learn faster.
Me too.
So today we talked about going to the doctor.
Yes, and we learned simple English for clinic visits.
We learned how to talk to the receptionist.
And how to answer the doctor's questions.
I feel more confident now.
I'm happy to hear that.
Maybe later I will really go to the doctor.
That sounds like a good plan.
Maybe I'll stop by the clinic after this.
That's a good next step.
Should we continue this conversation next time?
Yes, we can talk more at the doctor's office.
Like tests and medicine?
Exactly.
Okay, let's continue soon.
Sure.
Welcome back, everyone.
We're glad you're still here with us.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Lena.
If you like calm and easy English conversations, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Today, we continue our conversation about going to the doctor.
So now I'm inside the clinic.
I see. How do you feel?
A little nervous, but okay.
That's normal.
I'm sitting in the waiting area.
Is it busy?
Not very busy.
Busy means many people and many things to do.
Yes, it's quiet now.
What time is it?
It's 10 in the morning.
Morning appointments are good.
I think so too. A nurse calls my name.
Oh, really?
Yes, she says, "Adam, please come in."
That sounds polite.
I go into the doctor's room.
What does the doctor say?
The doctor says, "Hello, how are you today?"
And what do you say?
I say, "Hello, doctor, I don't feel very well."
Very good.
The doctor asks, "What is the problem?"
That's a common question.
I say, "I have a headache and a sore throat."
Sore means painful.
Painful, yes.
Does the doctor ask when it started?
Yes, the doctor asks, "When did it start?"
And your answer?
It started 2 days ago.
Perfect.
The doctor asks, "Do you have a fever?"
Fever means high body temperature.
I say, "No, I don't have a fever."
That's clear and simple.
Then the doctor listens to my chest.
I see.
It feels a little cold.
That happens sometimes.
The doctor says, "You should rest and drink water."
Good advice.
You should means it is a recommendation.
Yes, a friendly recommendation.
The doctor also says, "Take this medicine once a day."
Once a day means one time a day.
Exactly. I feel better because the doctor is kind.
That's important.
Kind doctors make patients calm.
Calm means relaxed.
Before I leave, I ask a question.
What question?
Can I go to work tomorrow?
That's a good question.
The doctor says, "Maybe you can work, but rest if you feel tired."
That sounds helpful.
I like the word maybe.
Yes, it means not sure.
The doctor asks, "Do you have any other questions?"
And do you?
I say, "No, thank you."
Very polite.
I say, "Thank you, doctor."
Good manners are important.
I leave the room feeling calm.
That's nice to hear.
Outside, the weather is sunny now.
That feels good after a clinic visit.
Yes, it does.
So today we talked about a full visit to the doctor.
Yes, and we learned how to answer questions.
We learned useful phrases like, "I don't feel well,"
And when did it start?
and "you should rest."
This kind of English is very useful.
It helps in real life.
I feel more confident now.
I'm very happy to hear that.
Thank you for learning English with us.
We hope this topic helped you.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
Take care, everyone.
Thanks for
See you in the
watching.
next video.
Subscribe to Mr. English Official.
And keep learning with us. Bye-bye.